Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Back to the
An ally has been slain. Godlike.
The kills just keep coming in.
Double kill. Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds. All forces, move out!
Sa game na to, makakatapat ko ang isa sa malakas na marksman. Pero syempre, hindi tayo pwede magpatalo. Ibibigay ko talaga ang best ko sa game na to. Napaka-aggressive talaga ng tank nila dito. Halos ayaw akong papormahin. Pero may sekreto kaming play. Kaya nabigyan namin yung marksman at tank nila dito.
You have slain an enemy.
They have spawned.
The Overlord and Tyrant have spawned. An enemy has been slain.
Hats off to you.
An enemy has been slain.
At tumulong na rin dito ang mage namin. Kaya halos hindi na nakaporma yung tank nila dito.
An enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Pero hindi pa kami tapos. Pati core nila ay nabigyan din namin ng isa.
You have slain an
One more.
enemy.
Isama mo na rin tong marksman nila, pahabol lang.
Killing
They
spree.
hit like a wet noodle.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Retreat.
Tamang vision yung tank nila dito. Para mabigyan nila ako ng magandang play. Pero may party-party sa mid lane. Hindi pwedeng hindi tayo kasali.
An ally has been slain. Rampage.
Akala mo siguro makakaisa ka sakin. Doon ka nagkamali.
An enemy has been slain.
Sobrang kulit talaga ng tank nila dito. Kaya siya na naman yung mabibigyan ng isa.
Unstoppable.
Ipapakita ko sa kanila kung sino talaga ang malakas mag-marksman.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
back to the
An ally has been slain. Godlike.
The kills just keep coming in.
Double kill. Shut down.
Muntikan na talaga sila dun. Buti na lang at tatlo lang kami na nagpunta sa top lane.
Justice may be late, but it will never forget to hit you on the head. An excellent cannon requires the
An
best.
ally has been slain.
Balak na namin i-end ang match-up dito. Subalit napigilan pa ako ng core nila.
Enemy triple kill. You have slain an enemy. Double kill.
Awesome.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Killing spree. Double kill.
Awesome.
Shut down.
Nakachamba ka lang talaga sa play na yon.
The strong do not need to explain themselves. An An excellent cannon
An
requires the
ally
best
has been
fodder.
slain. An enemy has been slain.
E-try namin ulit dito na e-end ang match-up, baka sakaling swertehin.
An enemy has been slain. You have been slain.
Nabigyan pa tuloy ako ng isa dun.
Fabulous.